I had a friend of mine find me some of the most interesting magic TikToks that I've ever seen. And I told myself that I'd never do this again, yet here we are.
I probably will not do another TikTok reacts because I can't.
But since then, I've spent some more time on TikToks and I've seen some awesome, funny, and not as awesome or funny. Why am I doing this? Let's just check it out. Also, I've grabbed my playing cards in case, I want to try any of these things out. We're all set. Let's get one of these AirPods in. Here we go. Do not try this at home.
That's one of my favourite illusions. It really looks like the pen goes up my nose, but it's really behind my fingers. Let me show you a better illusion. It uses this. It's a bowl of popcorn kernels. If I take one of the kernels, let's get a good one. This one here. Put it on my tongue. I'll swallow it. Now, I don't swallow it all the way down.
It'd be cool. What I'm expecting to see is if he's able to turn it into a popped kernel. That would be pretty awesome. But if not, that's fine too.
Holds at the back of my throat, so I'm going to pull it up to my nasal cavity and a little bit higher because I'm going to try and get it up to this eye. I'm just going to, wait a minute, took a wrong turn. It's going to go over to the other side and over to this eye.
Nope.
Just here. And come on, it's got to be worth a follow.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Viewer discretion is advised. One of the craziest things that I've ever done that was even close to this was drinking milk and having it come out of my nose. Just the nose, just white milk coming out of your nose. That's great too.
Good evening, everyone.
Oh! But my God, I would be terrified of doing this. Moving on. All right, he's pulling out a deck of cards. Classic stuff. Puts it one card in his pocket. Okay. Oh. The deck has shrank. Goes back in his pocket. There's the... Okay. Oh. Oh, his sleight of hand is smooth. That is so impressive. Takes that small deck. Shows off the 4. Brings it back. Oh. Boy, his switch is so clean. It is insanely clean. Like, it's wild. I don't know if should I be revealing this? You guys are smart people. You probably figured it out. But when he brings out the 4 to do the comparison with that single card versus the small deck, it's very easy to kind of grab the playing cards, the small deck from his left hand, put it into his right hand and do like a mini deck switch, because it's actually a mini deck, and then put away the other deck in his pocket with the 4. So it's a really clever way to use misdirection and show the 4 with the smaller deck, and the deck kind of just gets smaller and smaller. So it's executed so well, so well. It's almost over. Let's check it out. It's a small. How do you even get these cards? Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Okay, 1. Very good looking guy. The smile is amazing. When he smiles like that, all problems are gone. I believe in magic. But seriously, love this performance. It was amazing. Here we go. Insane magic trick. Took a glass of water.
Middle here.
Is that, what is that?
On the middle there.
That's a real egg.
And then he puts an egg on top of whatever that is. Could it even balance?
And the object of the game, you gotta kind of center this up.
So what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
The idea is to put the egg into the glass of water.
Okay.
Without breaking
it and without using my hands to touch anything.
Okay. So, this guy is 91 years old.
What are you gonna do?
Frankie O'Connor. That guy is good looking for 91. Impressive.
I probably could do it this way.
There's no way.
I'm on the wrong side. So I'll go over here and we'll try it from the front.
Is he gonna like pick it up and take a swing at it? Oh no, it looks like he's lining it up. Okay. He's gonna use I don't
Bingo!
That's pretty cool.
Not broken.
Look at that. I have to say, it's pretty cool. Is it magic? No. And I guarantee you, if I did anything like that, that broom would smack right into the egg and the guts would go flying everywhere. All right, what else?
I learned a new skill. It's called
my man Jeremy Tan.
Check this out. Okay, that's 1. That's 2.
Okay. Yeah, I've seen dice stacking. 3. I've never actually been able to do it myself. Well, then again, I'm gonna try it.
And 4.
Here we go.
Ta-da! Thank you.
The dice has been stacked. Amazing.
You must be wondering how did I make them all stand up like this, right? I
am wondering.
I actually fed them some supplements. No, really. Yeah, these ones. I don't know if you've seen them before. Yeah. Little blue pills like this, and they're amazing. Check this out. Yeah. Sorry, I'll see myself.
Classic. I love how the pills themselves have also stood.
Best magic trick ever.
Now there's a happy ending you didn't see coming. Yeah, I might see myself out too. Moving on. Oh, we got a tutorial. We can try this out. Oh. The dancing seems unnecessary in terms of the tutorial, but maybe that's what's gonna make it work. One more time. Okay, so he takes his middle finger and thumb, grabs a card. I have cards right here. Maybe you may have cards or may not, I don't know. But he's taken this. It looks like it's left hand, but I don't think it really matters. Middle finger here. This is curled in like this. Thumb right behind it. The dancing moves. The dancing moves and the snap. Okay, dancing moves, snap. Let's play that one more time. Okay, you want to make sure you do the thing, so the snapping and then the thing. All right, what's going on next? And it just flies back when you snap it. Okay, okay, check this out right here. One time. I'm gonna try standing up. These people make it seem so much easier than it actually is. I mean, come on, no one can dance like that. It's unreasonable. Okay, seems to be in a rush. Pulled out a ball of nothing from his pocket. Oh, if there's something in there, I'd be very impressed. I'd have no idea how he did it.
Look at and remember a card in the middle of the deck. Got it? I'm gonna try and catch it.
Of course. Yeah. What's going on? This is the vine that I remember. Let's just pretend like none of that happened and continue.
You see this penny?
I see it.
Watch me make it magically disappear from the palm of your hand. You will not. Magic! I got it. That worked. You see this penny?
I see it.
I want to watch that one more time. Here we go.
You will not. Magic! I got it. That worked.
Two things I love about this is the second he's like, okay, you know, hold it in your hand, it's gonna disappear, whatever it is. And he's like, the magic words are magic, and then the guy's reaction at the end. Also classic. 10 out of 10. What do we got next? Oh, a monkey that is shocked. Does not look impressed. I mean, come on. You have to watch that one more time. It's like, okay. That is like the most human thing to be like, you know, clap your hands, cover your mouth. I love monkeys. If I could have a pet monkey, I probably wouldn't have one. I'm gonna stick with a dog. Dogs are great. But still, best reaction ever. The amount of TikTok videos that I've seen that just literally use this sound to reveal magic tricks, I hate it. I'm just gonna skip this one. I think they're stupid.
All right, quick. Think of a sport. Any
sport.
Think of the card
baseball.
will know what you're thinking of. Think
baseball.
of the sport. Now take the second letter of that sport, and
Second
whatever
letter,
that second letter is,
B-A-S-E.
create a fruit starting
Create
with
a
that
fruit.
second letter.
Or
Got
pick a
it?
fruit.
Think of
Okay.
it. Now
gonna go
take the last
apricot.
letter of the fruit.
Apricot.
And
What's it
use
called?
this chart. Do you find your letter?
T.
What
Rodent.
animal? The card will know what animal it is.
It's a rodent.
If I'm right, you give me a heart, you give me a follow.
I will give you a heart and a follow and a comment and everything. And a share.
That when an old
rodent.
senior citizen fools you, you follow.
That'll be me one day. Senior citizen fooling people. Okay, sorry.
A bunch of people that have kids, because kids would love this. You were thinking of beaver.
No, it was rodent. Okay, let's see what would happen if I picked another fruit. Let's say apple. Apple. People normally think of apple when they think of the letter A. So apple ends with an E. So it would be beaver. See, then it would be beaver. But what if I pick like soccer? What is O? O. And we got our last one. Let's check it out. All right. Oh, I've seen this guy before. Oh, aha. Ha. Oh, that looked pretty cool. Ooh, a nice little Bertram change. Very nice in case you want to learn that. Oh! Or just vanished. That. Now that is number one type of entertainment. Entertainment number one. If you have any other videos that you want me to react to, leave it down in the comments below. And if you think you can do any of these things that I just shared with you today, subscribe. I know I wouldn't.